Vivo X100 Ultra debuts with 200MP Periscope cam and SD8 Gen 3. It's Vivo's turn to announce its 2024 top-tier flagship, and the X100 Ultra does not disappoint on the specs front, offering one of the most capable camera systems on any phone to date. X100 Ultra features a 1-inch Type main camera using Sony's LYT-900 sensor, and an even more impressive 200MP Periscope camera leveraging the 1.4 inches ISOCELL HP9 sensor coded. The 1.4 inches sensor on the Periscope cam is the largest telephoto sensor fitted on a phone until now. It features an f2.67 aperture and an 85mm equivalent focal length. It also gets Zeiss T** coding and Zeiss APA certification, which should translate to improved clarity and less fringing at contrast edges. The Periscope lens gets up to 3.7x optical zoom, 20% improved light sensitivity, and its telephoto macro mode offers 20x magnification. You also get industry-leading SEPA 4.5 telephoto stabilization. This is the first device to launch with Vivo's in-house BlueImage algorithm, which was in development for 8 years. It claims to fix many of the common photo snapping problems, including light behind subjects and preserving details in low light. X100 Ultra also features the Vivo V3 Plus imaging chip, which handles 4K portrait video recording and processing. The 50MP main cam features a 0.98 LYT-900 sensor with f1.75 aperture and 23mm focal length. Like previous Vivo X series phones, X100 Ultra's main cam gets gimbal stabilization that can account for 1.5-degree hardware stabilization and OIS. Vivo X100 Ultra debuts with 200MP Periscope cam and SD8 Gen 3. The main sensor also supports up to 4K 120fps video recording with a dedicated 4K portrait mode video and Dolby Vision support. The third cam on the back is a 14mm equivalent ultra-wide with a 1/2 50MP YT600 sensor. Moving to the rest of the specs, X100 Ultra features a curved 6.78-inch 7 LTP AMOLED with 1440 by 200px resolution and a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. The panel gets up to 3000 nits peak brightness and features a 50MP front-facing camera inside the punch hole cutout and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Vivo X100 Ultra debuts with 200MP Periscope cam and SD8 Gen 3. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip sits at the helm, and it's configurable with up to 16GB RAM LPDDR5X and 1TB UFS. The software side is covered by Originos 4 based on Android 14, while the 5500 mAh battery supports 80 West wired and 30 West wireless charging. Vivo also confirmed the X100 Ultra supports 5G and 2-way satellite connectivity in China. Vivo X100 Ultra in titanium, white, and gray. Vivo X100 Ultra in titanium, white, and gray. Vivo X100 Ultra in titanium, white, and gray. Vivo X100 Ultra in titanium, gray. Vivo X100 Ultra comes in titanium, white, and gray colors. Pricing starts at CNY $6,499,898 for the 12/256 of a gigabyte trim, and goes up to CNY $7,999 $1,105 for the 16GB RAM and 1TB. Open sales in China start on May 28.